In this episode, we shall practice 10 numbers of basic level multiple choice questions on software. First one. The main categories of software are option A, 1, option B, 2, option 3, option D, 4. How many categories of software is known as a main category of software? The correct answer is B. Two categories of software are known as main category of software. These are system software and application software. Next question. Which of the following is an example of system software? A. Adobe Photoshop. B. Windows operating system. C. Microsoft Word. D. Laptop. Which one is the example of system software? Windows operating system is an example of system software. Next question. Which of the following is an example of application software? A. Linux OS. B. Device drivers. C. BIOS. D. Microsoft Office. Which one is an example of application software? Option D. Microsoft Office is an example of application software. Next question. Utility software is mainly used for playing games, performing maintenance tasks like disk cleanup and antivirus protection, designing software applications, or controlling network traffic. Which one is the correct answer? Utility software is mainly used for performing maintenance tasks like disk cleanup and antivirus protection. So option B is the correct answer. Next one. Which of the following is not a function of system software? Option A, editing images. Option B, managing memory and processes. Option C, running application programs. Option D, handling input and output operations. Which one is not a function of system software? The correct option is A. Editing images is not a function of system software. Next question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of software? Option A. It is intangible. Option B. It wears out over time. Option C. It can be modified and updated. Option D. It provides instructions to hardware. We have to find out the option which is not a characteristic of software. The correct option is B. It wears out over time is not a characteristic of software. Next question. Which of the following best describes software engineering? Option A. The process of developing, testing, and maintaining software. Option B. Writing code for entertainment purposes. Option C. The process of assembling computer hardware. Option D. The creation of computer viruses. Which one describes software engineering best? Option A. The process of developing, testing, and maintaining software. This option describes software engineering best. Next question. Which of the following is not an example of software? Option A. Microsoft Excel. Option B. Random Access Memory RAM. Option C. Google Chrome. Option D. Linux kernel. Which option is not an example of software? The correct answer is Random Access Memory. RAM is not an example of software. Next question. Which category of software directly interacts with the computer hardware? Option A, web browser. Option B, utility software. Option C, system software. Option D, application software. Which category of software directly interacts with the computer hardware? The correct option is C, system software directly interacts with the computer hardware. The last question of this episode. Which of the following is not an example of system software? Option A, Windows 11. Option B, Linux kernel. Option C, Adobe Photoshop. Option D, Disk Cleanup Tool. The correct option is Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is not an example of system software. This is the end of this episode. We have discussed only the basic level of multiple choice questions on software in this episode. Intermediate and advanced level software, advanced level questions will be on next episode. Thank you very much.